Are you ready to revolutionize the way you learn, teach, and create? Did you know that AI is transforming content creation, with many seeing better performance? Today, we're diving into the world of free AI tools that can empower every teacher and student. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a futuristic concept. It's a powerful force changing how we create, learn, and interact. From generating compelling text to crafting stunning visuals, AI tools are making advanced capabilities accessible to everyone. However, the cost of many advanced platforms can be a barrier. That's where free AI tools come in, offering incredible value without the hefty price tag. They are perfect for independent creators, educators, and students alike. AI involves programming computers to mimic human-like decision-making and problem-solving. These systems process and interpret data to make informed choices. AI applies to various fields, including computer science and neuroscience. AI's applications are vast and growing. In education, AI helps teachers create tailored academic plans and check papers for grammar or plagiarism. For content development, AI tools can generate video scripts, articles, and even code in minutes. AI tools are software applications using AI algorithms to perform functions. They can be free or paid and are generally user-friendly. The primary advantage of free AI tools is saving time and resources. Imagine generating videos from text or crafting engaging copy in minutes. These tools automate repetitive tasks, reduce errors, and streamline processes. They make powerful technology accessible to everyone, regardless of budget. Let's explore some of the best free AI tools that can significantly boost your academic and creative endeavors. These tools offer robust features, often without needing a paid subscription. Flicky helps you create captivating videos from simple text instructions. You can transform blog articles or presentations into engaging video content. Choose from various AI voices or even clone your own voice for narration. Flicky is perfect for creating educational content, presentations, or social media videos. Its seamless interface makes video creation easy for any skill level. The free plan allows you to experiment and see the power of AI video. Quality writing is crucial for engagement. Copy.ai is an excellent free AI writing tool for generating various text content. It can produce blog posts, articles, social media content, and even ad copies. Powered by OpenAI's GPT-3, Copy.ai delivers high-quality drafts. Simply provide instructions or prompts, and the tool will generate content for you. It's a fantastic resource for essays, reports, or creative writing assignments. Need stunning visuals for your projects? Playground AI allows you to create amazing images from text prompts. It's ideal for beginners to unleash their creativity without needing design expertise. Generate brand logos, presentation graphics, or unique illustrations with ease. Playground AI offers simple editing tools like filters and styles. It's a great way to add visual flair to your academic work or personal projects. For students building personal brands or teachers creating club materials, Luca helps design professional logos. Enter your name or project details, and Luca generates multiple logo options. You can customize colors, fonts, and layouts to match your vision. While some features are paid, the free options allow you to explore design possibilities. It's a quick way to create a polished visual identity. Having an online presence is increasingly important. Framer is a free website builder that uses AI to create sites from text instructions. It analyzes your input to generate appropriate layouts and color schemes. Framer offers a user-friendly canvas with drag-and-drop features for easy customization. It's perfect for creating portfolios, project showcases, or class websites. While the free plan has limitations, it's a great starting point. These free AI tools are just the beginning of what's possible. They empower you to create high-quality content, streamline tasks, and explore new creative avenues. Remember to always verify information generated by AI tools for accuracy. Embrace these tools to enhance your learning, teaching, and content creation efforts. The future of education and creativity is here, and it's more accessible than ever before. Ready to transform your projects and boost your productivity? Start experimenting with these free AI tools today. Share this video with your friends and colleagues to spread the word, and subscribe for more insights into leveraging technology for success.